Start clapping your hands right now for the host of last night's open mic. She's in the house. She is a second year from New York. She's channeling Billie Holiday. Welcome, Mahogany Brand.
Thank you. Thank you, Avery. For Group D and Cornelius, when it's given a name in prayer. The need gotta be so deep you can vomit up ghosts and not feel broken. Yusef Kumanyaka. I did not know he was a man of invasive words. I did not realize his power to chant my disease or cure. I was not ready for the bone shake and earth crawl. There ain't nothing but dust beneath the floorboards. I am a house of lonely brick. I am only alive in the shadows of this unholy. In this dark, I am ready, I am whole. Say, they climbed my spine and settled like tea leaves. Say, they wrapped my insides clean. Say, the movement of a woman in love is a dance indeed. Say, the heels kick up. Say, the dust. Say it again. Say, welcome home, heartache. Wipe your feet at the door. Hail Mary and Hail Grace. Though I walk through the valley of life and death, say that prayer out loud. Say it again. I did not know he was a man of invasive words. Say they climbed my spine and settled like tea leaves. I did not realize his power to chant my disease a cure. Say they wrapped my insides clean. I was not ready for the bone shake and earth crawl. Say the movement of a woman in love is a dance indeed. There is nothing but dust beneath the floorboards. Say the hills kick up. Say the dust. Say it again. I am a house of lonely brick. Say welcome home, heartache. Wipe your feet at the door. I am only alive in the shadows of this unholy. Hail Mary and Hail Grace. Though I walk through the valley in this dark, I am ready. I am whole of life and death. Say that prayer out loud. Say it again. This flesh, this kin, this stone-tossed family, this kin, this death of choice, this choice of addiction, this kin addicted to dying, this black death that smells like home, this home. This heart has no home. This heart left a home in California. This heart found a home in Brooklyn, in airports, in a little girl's smile, in the halo of gentrification, and a little bit better. It will all be better if I could just have this home, this house, this man that I love, this love I can't hold, this man that I need, this life I can't hold, this want, this now, this here, sprawled inside my chest, this black that I can't separate from this skin, this bone, attached this breaking sunrise of this smile, this root of all evil, this woman, this evil, this woman, this God, this evil to think myself evil, this God, this evil to think myself anything less than woman, this Bermuda, this Stonehenge, this temple, this flesh and this fat, this sister, this lover, this wife, yes, this wife, this here, be more than your jump off. This be more than your free milk. This be your mother's lonely. This black girl, this bricklayer, this woman that can't forget how to kiss like shadows, how to smile like crypt keepers, how to pray like a whisper, how to forget where she came from, From a gutter of a woman and a jawbreaker of a man, this hammerhead love sits on my chest, this crunch, this crush, this sound of breakable thing, this worthless thing, this worthwhile thing, this breath is worthwhile, this hurt is worth now, this now is worth tomorrow, this tomorrow ain't even here yet, but it sound good, sound like spilled 40 ounces and split lips like concrete crack tomorrow, this glass chip tomorrow, this morning song of good, this Billie Holiday heartbreak good, this Nina Simone feel good, tomorrow's full of good and heart clatter and a sound like love, this harbor, this boat, this water, this love, this faith, this cliff, this diving in still, this love, this bloody pulp, this.